Hello folks, it's the weekend and that's the time I get to feed the goats. Let's get started. Through the week, there I'm a-working, so Dan and Carolyn takes care of feeding the stuff. On weekends, that's when I get to do it. Of course, they're still helping out also. The sky sure is pretty this morning. It's cold. This morning here, I'm going to be giving them some dewormer pellets. Goats are bad to get parasites, and you have to worm them every now and then. Now you've got some goats, they hardly ever need worming. But this way here, it's just a bag of positive pellet dewormer. We'll give that to them, and most time that'll take care of it. Now this barn here, years and years and years ago, it was an old house, and Grandpa just turned it into a barn, and we've added on to it since then. I can remember when I was little, the people had took newspapers and tacked it up along the cracks of to keep the wind from blowing in to help insulate it. I can remember that when I was real little. Alrighty folks, video's coming to an end here in a minute. Yeah, they're getting ready to go inside. I'd like to thank each and every one of you for joining us. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Think your friends may like to watch some of this stuff. Let them know about us. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. We'll be seeing you soon.